All right, people, good morning to all of you. My name is Melvin from Oxford, actually. Well, we talked about something like pronunciation last time. Well, we'll talk about a few things today. Well, we'll talk about questioning questions as such. All right. But to do that, I want to recap a few sessions. Okay, last session. Last time we talked about a few parts of, let's say, a few sentences such. All right. Well, the questions are, or four parts of, let's say, statements. One is statements. The second one is most probably questions. Third one is most probably you have, expressions, those things. Well, to do that, I will ask some simple examples. The first thing is we say, well, I like this chair, or I do not like the chair. All right. Two things. One is a positive statement. The second one is a negative statement. All right. Well, so the second is most probably we have things like questions as such. Question is, things like where do you go, what are you doing, those things. Second one. Third one is expressions. Expression is most probably we have things like, wow, India won. Okay, or most probably the food is excellent, those things. All right. But the biggest problem today is about only questioning topics or topic as such. The question is, we have two types of questions, isn't it? One is, of course, we have different questions, but the point is, predominantly we have two types of questions. One is, it's a closed questions. The second one is open questions. All right. We'll see how we'll do that. We'll do that. Those questions as such. The closed questions are, of course, we have did, can, have, will, do, could, should, is, am, those questions. To do that, I'll ask simple questions. Well, did you have breakfast? Is my question. And the answer is yes, absolutely. Otherwise, people can also say no as such. No problem. So those questions can be closed questions. The point is, the closed questions, to ask questions, you normally get closed answers. And predominantly, those closed answers can be yes or no. So I'm saying things like did, can, have, will, do, could, should, is, those things. All right. The second type is open questions, WH questions. When you talk about WH questions, we normally ask questions like, what do you do? Where are you going? Okay, things like when, which, okay, those questions. The biggest problem is when you ask closed questions, it is predominantly only closed answers and information is very close as such. However, when you ask open questions, it is a lot of information. For example, if I say, do you have breakfast? I say yes. However, if I say, what do you normally eat in that Sunday or most probably the entire week? Yes, I can eat things like, chapatis. We can eat things like, dosa, curries, whatever it is. All right. So people can give a lot of answers as such. So that is open questions. And these are, let's say, closed questions as such. People, thank you very much. To start with, or to when we meet you again, we'll talk about a second topic. Thanks a lot.